कि यार AI ने ये कर दिया, AI ने वो कर दिया, तुम्हें नहीं आता, हमें नहीं आता, etc.
My purpose of coming here was that I wanted to move beyond theory and I wanted to learn more about AI.
Being a feared one कि AI मुझे replace ना कर दे, that's why I joined today workshop.
So today's workshop was on agentic software design and how to do code using AI tools that are available from Google. So Google has a lot of offerings that are helping developers to publish apps quickly. And it was a very good initiative by GDG Cloud and also PureLogics who collaborated and gave this space for this workshop today.
Magic?